Hey, what's up, guys? So, I was in Walmart looking for some toothpaste and I came across this. It's whitening toothpaste, it's natural and it removes plaques, so why not give it a try? Alright, so I'm about to test it out. It comes out black, and yeah, I'm like, okay, is this gonna stain my rubber bands or my braces? And okay, now I look like a zombie off The Walking Dead with black teeth, eating on flesh for years. Doesn't taste nasty, it tastes like mints. It actually makes your teeth feel good and your gums as well. So the goal is to make these teeth look white and pretty, okay? So this is after I rinsed my teeth off, and as you can see, they look white and healthier. And this product right here, good, okay? Go get it. It's only like $5 at Walmart. I mean, I don't know about everybody else Walmart, but my Walmart, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.